Today we are doing fun experiment with Skittles. When we put some substances in the water like salt and sugar, the water molecules surround the substances and break them apart. This is what we are going to try on Skittles today. Observe how water molecules break apart sugar and food coloring in Skittles.
Lovely! Wow! Yeah, it has Skittles. That's all the Skittles! Oh no, you have more Skittles.
First step is to arrange the Skittles in a circle on the outer curve of the plate.
I'm almost ready.
Good job, David.
Ready.
Now we pour warm water into the middle of our plate.
Thank you. Thank you.
Wow!
So cool.
How our giant Skittles are doing?
Lovely. Awesome.
We can see here one side is very colorful because we use different colors, and the other side is only yellow and orange, and the colors blend a little bit together. Do you like your Skittle experiment? Yeah. Here we can see that colored sugar dissolves in the water and spreads out.